to the shop, or not to the shop, but to the office. Once again, right here at New Traditions. My name is Dan Daniels. It is a beautiful Sunday afternoon. We just got home from a great church service over at East Point Bible Church in Peru, Indiana. Beautiful day, sun is shining, great day. This is the Guild D44 that I was repairing over the last couple of weeks. It had about a 200 thousandths clearance between the bass, the low E string, and the 12th fret because of a huge belly bow this way and this way. So we took care of it. We introduced a lot of humidity into the instrument for about a week, took the bridge off, re-flattened the soundboard, put the bridge back on, left it in clamps for quite a while, resurfaced the frets, polished the frets, cleaned the whole instrument, and it sounds great. This is an amazing guitar. This is a D44M, serial number 63762, which makes it a 1971 build, American Guild. Just incredible sound. And I was able to get the action at the 12th fret down to 100 thousandths on the low E and 90 thousandths on the high E. And then the high E can probably still even come down some more if the customer wants it. Took a bunch of divots out of the frets. There was one that was really deep, and I figured I better just leave it be. But just a great sounding guitar. Fingers aren't quite moving yet this morning or this afternoon. So that's in standard tuning. Let's take it down to low D and do some finger picking. The sustain on this guitar is worthy of the Spinal Tap movie. It is just incredible how long this guitar sustains for. I did do some tweaking with the bridge. I made sure that the underneath part of the bridge that faced the soundboard was completely flat. And then we do a little trick where we do some relief around the edge of the bridge, which is nothing major. It's just gives it a little bit more ability on the soundboard for vibration. So there you go. This is a customer, Eric, his D44M Blonde, built in 1971, serial number 63762. This is just a gorgeous back, and my lighting up here in the office isn't going to allow me to show off the woods. We were able to get the action down to 100 thousandths on the low E, 90 thousandths on the high E. This is GHS True Mediums for the strings. It's a killer G major 7th that always makes me cringe. But there you go. Belly bulge repair, Guild D44M for customer Eric. See you next time. Lord bless you guys.